periodic table and a calculator, and then you get moles. This is going from grams to moles. Okay, these two. It's the same thing. This is the short version, this is the long version. If you want to find out about the actual number of atoms, you have to use a similar one. But this time it's number of, let's say, atoms. The bottom is Avogadro number. And anyone remember the number? 6? Yes, you need to memorize this. This is not going to be provided in test. You need to know this number. So there you go. That equation for moles to grams, this equation from here to here. If you know these two, there's nothing more equation you need to memorize. This is the only thing you need to memorize for the entire second semester. Well, I know this topic. There might be more, but anything related with moles, this is the basic one. Okay? And to be honest, this will only last this section. So if you forget after this test, you will probably never see that. This one we will use again and again and again and again. And when I said again and again, yes, until June we will use this. So please make sure you memorize this, okay? And if the mass is in kilograms, you don't use it. What do you have to do?
Exchange.
Convert, exactly. That's it, that's basic stuff. You just convert it to grams to use this equation. Yes, Esther, you got a question?
You said those two are related.
Yeah, it's the same thing. M stands for mass, M stands for molar mass. Yes?
Then there's no way to do just kilogram, no kilogram. Only gram is.
Yeah.
Oh.
So to start class, I will give you a worksheet that will test you both equations. And then at the end, near the halfway, there is, what's wrong with this? There's just one section that I'll teach you. Is this on a battery? There's one section you will learn that we can use moles on. So it's called percent composition. It's not really using moles, but it's very easy. This is just something that we will learn today, and then probably that's the end. And after New Year, we will learn moles plus the balance equation. So the balance equation we already did, and this concept of moles is actually coming together. This is the hardest part. And this will probably last around a week because you need to practice a lot. Okay, but before that, let's practice more on these two. Alright, I will give this out. Let's try this. Volunteer, please.
Me.
Okay, sure. Did you want? What did you? Never mind. I didn't want to ask you to do it anyway. Okay, Suyok and Jane is giving out a worksheet. If you look at the front page,